Together, we will create a cheeseburger and french fries shopping list, using the Out of Milk app. If you are using an Android phone, click on the Play Store app. Search for the Out of Milk shopping list. Install the Out of Milk shopping list app. Open the Out of Milk app. If you are using an iPhone, click on the App Store. Search for the Out of Milk shopping list. Download the Out of Milk app. Select Open, and install the Out of Milk app. Let us create a shopping list. Add ground beef. Add cheese. Add potato. Add hamburger bun. Add lettuce. Add tomatoes. Add onions. Add ketchup. Name the list Cheeseburger and French Fries Shopping List. Review the shopping list.